So you ready to eat, right? You ready to eat, Minnie? All right. So today we're doing a tester. We have the chicken fancy feast, and we have Minnie's favorite, the gems. But this is the tuna. So as you can see, I got both of them in the pan. This is the chicken. This is the tuna. Let's see which one Minnie likes. Yeah. Let's see. As you can see, which one you like, Minnie? She's going for the gems. Oh, she eat the gems. She eat the chicken. Which one you like? The gems. She eat the gems.